Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to create a Polymarket account and start trading prediction markets? Here's exactly how to sign up from scratch on your iPhone. Takes about 2 minutes. First, make sure you have the Polymarket app downloaded from the App Store. Open the app and on the first screen, go ahead and sign up or get started. You will be given two options to create your account. Sign up with email using a magic link or connect existing Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase. For most new user, email sign up is the easiest. Tap continue with email or choose your email address. Use your Face ID to sign in, or you could just tap send magic link. Go to your email inbox, find the link from Polymarket and then tap it. This creates your account automatically with no passwords needed. If you're in the United States, Polymarket would require you to complete identity verification because of CFTC regulations. You need to provide your name, date of birth, a government issued ID, and proof of address. This is mandatory for all US users and usually completes automatically in a few minutes. Once your account is created, you need to fund it to USDC to start trading. Tap deposit inside the app to see your deposit options. So, all you gotta do is open the app, tap sign up, enter email, tap the magic link in your inbox, account will be created. US users will need to complete identity verification before trading, and that's it. Subscribe for more Polymarket guides.